Let's talk about some more types of motion. Random motion. We have already discussed about this motion. Let us recapitulate it once more. Random motion. Random, it means, you understand, by sometime we write the random clicks, means just like that, on the spot, that are not planned, that we call random. Sudden motion. So it is not regular, it is a type of irregular motion. Irregular motion of a body in which direction is not fixed. I think nothing is fixed in this motion. Irregular motion, random motion. Next comes the periodic motion. Periodic, you understand, you all are studying daily, you all are having different period, different classes, and you know that at this time science class will be there, and that will run for 40 minutes, and then you will have 10 minutes break, and then you will have next class. So when a same motion repeats itself after equal intervals of time, we call it periodic motion. So repeating motion at a particular time interval, not random, but it is quite regular and periodic. At a particular period of time the motion takes place. Objects or the actions having more than one type of motion. Means sometime if an object is showing or any action, it is leading to different types of motion at the same time. Means more than one type of motion at the same time. Showing machine needle, it oscillates and the wheels rotates in circular motion. In drawing water from the wheel, the pulley on which rope is put has circular motion, but the bucket, it shows the linear motion. So sometimes there are objects which at the same time show more than one motion. Many types of motion. Same thing, that when some objects or any action that is performed by any person, it is showing more than one motion. For example, if we talk about the motion of earth revolves around the sun, so it is circular motion. It rotates around its own axis, it is rotatory motion. And both these motions, they are repeated after a fixed interval of time, so this shows periodic motion also. When a person is riding a bike, he is moving forward, rectilinear motion, translatory motion, but the tires are moving circular motion or rotatory.